Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls, welcome. Welcome today. In the daily newspaper of Friday, yes, it's Friday, last day of the week, working day, yes. May the 13th, Friday the 13th, yes, Friday the 13th. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. I have already solved one puzzle, Sudoku with 3 stars. There are 2 puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. And it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4548. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, and there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Then. Comparing, yes, time for comparing. Let me scan once more. No. Well, 10111. Yeah, this column and that column. Empty box. 1 1 1 empty box. Well, we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. So the rest are O's. Well, now I cannot compare these 2 columns, so we need to see those rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, yes. 1001. Do we have no 101? Do we have 101 here? Here. Double O. This one and that one. Alright. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 4 minutes. Yes, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today in this additional. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Is it really 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. Until then, bye bye for now.